Hi guys, for those of you who have difficulty with this exercise, you can watch this video. Okay, I'm going to begin. Okay, next is to insert a new row. So I'm going to move my mouse to number 6, do a right click, insert one above. Okay. Alright, next we're going to create the column chart. So first I'm going to select the data. Okay, I'm going to look for a column chart. There. Okay. Alright. Include chart title. Alright, it's there. Vertical axis title. Okay, I'm going to go to customize, chart and axis title. Let's start with horizontal axis and type class. Okay, there you are, class, vertical, materials, and there you are. Next, alright, we need to add in data labels. Let's go to series and check this box, data labels, and there you are. Alright, so that's it for the column chart. For those of you who wish to do this bit of a challenge, stack column chart, okay, select this, go to edit chart, and then alright, you can change the chart type. Give it a try. Okay, that's all.